In this video, I'll walk you through how to edit a blog template using the Design Manager in Hubspot so you can customize the layout and design of your blog pages. First, log into your Hubspot account. From the top menu, go to Marketing, then look for Files and Templates and open the Design Manager. If you don't see it right away, you can also use the search bar at the top and type Design Manager to find it quickly. Once you're inside the Design Manager, locate your blog template. You can browse through the folders to find your existing blog theme or start from scratch if you're creating a new template. After opening the template, click the plus icon to add modules or sections to your blog layout. You can drag and drop elements like text, images, headers, and other modules to customize how your blog posts will look. Make the changes you want to the layout, styling, or structure of the template. When you're done editing, don't forget to save your changes. These updates will apply to any blog posts that are using this template. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped you, subscribe for more quick HubSpot walkthroughs, and I'll see you in the next video.